Hey there, I'm AJ Sauvé, and here we are backstage at the Cisco Ottawa Blues Fest, and it's my great honor to be welcoming the Honourable Minister Tony Clement to the festival this evening. And Mr. Clement, so far so good?
Well, AJ, it's such a delight to be here. I gotta say, every single night I've been elsewhere, not in Ottawa, and so I have not been able to participate or partake in the wonderful offerings, but I've seen the wonderful offerings, and this has got to be the center of the musical universe right now in North America, if not the world.
Well,
so
coming from you,
congratulations.
I understand you're quite the music fan as it is. I've heard many people tell me that you've got a vast appetite for music.
I do, and I like it all, and certainly what I see here is the diversity. A lot of different genres here, some great international acts and some great Canadian acts. So you are to be congratulated, and the whole team of the Cisco Ottawa Blues Fest has done a great job this year. The Government of Canada is proud to be part of it.
Well, I'm glad you're here tonight because we've got two great Canadian acts in the house tonight. There's Sarah Harmer on this stage and Arcade Fire a little later on in the evening on the MDNA stage.
Well, you can't do much better than that. You've got somebody who's been around the independent scene, the folk scene for all those years. And then you've got the Arcade Fire, which is one of the great sort of indie vibe acts that we have not only in this country but around the world. I'm a big fan of the Arcade Fire. I've never seen them live. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be a great show.
Well, I completely agree with you. I'm just stoked for